Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're in Bruges, Belgium. It's Christmas time, the 2nd of December. We're at the Duke's Palace Hotel. We're going to give you a room tour. We're going to go up that tower. I don't know if you can see it in the background there. There it is. We'll let you know how much it costs per night. Let's do this. So we are in room 109. Let's go inside. So, this is the entryway. We've got some wardrobe space here. We're going to open those up in a moment, but it's a lovely, lovely room. Let's have a look. So over here, we've got this lovely bed, lovely double bed. We have a sort of sideboard, writing desk type thing. Actually has some Ethernet data ports there with some power, so you could work from the hotel room. We have a lovely TV on the wall there. We've got an espresso coffee machine, a few pods. We have a kettle, a couple of cups. Let's open up this area here and see what's inside. So we've got a fridge, and inside the fridge, what have we got? Some Coca-Cola, Fanta, Stella Artois beers, a couple of bottles of water, a chilled bottle of wine. In the door we've got some rum, some vodka, Bacardi and J&B whiskey. Some glasses down here, and we've actually got a bottle of red there. This is the prices. Let's have a look. So the water's €4, Coca-Cola €4, Fanta €4. The beer is €5, the wines are 8, and the spirits are 8. So let's put that back. Oh, what's down the bottom here? Some sort of drawer. And under here, just some storage space. Let's shut all that up. Let's move over to the bed. So we've got these cabinets here, a lovely lamp with the switch on the wall, a power outlet, empty drawer. Over here, on the other side, we have the telephone, a little notepad and pen. We've got some reading lights on the headboard there. Let's make our way to the bathroom. Wow, this is lovely and spacious. So what have we got? A mirror on the wall, some lighting, hairdryer, some lovely toiletries there. What make is that? L'Octane? Something like that. A couple of hand towels, a bin on the floor, a couple of flannels, and a couple of glasses. Toilet there, perfectly clean. There's a phone on the wall if you want to call somebody while you're on the toilet. Everything's very clean. And then we have the bath. So this is the superior double room. So we have a bath and a shower, which is great when you're getting ready in the evenings. One of you can be in the shower, one in the bath. You haven't got to wait for the other to finish. Wow, this is quite a roomy shower. 2 or 3 people in here quite easily. Let's make our way back to those wardrobes when we first came in. The left-hand side one. There's our coats. We have a trouser press, plenty of hanger space. When you open the doors, the lights come on, which is great. Hopefully this one does too. There we go. We've got some robes and slippers, and the safe. Down here we have some drawers. What have we got? Vanity set, shoe mitt, shower cap and a sewing kit. And just some empty drawers here. So let's go back over to the main room. A couple of chairs and a little table there so you could sit and watch the TV. And here's the bed. I wonder how comfy this is. Feels lovely and comfy. Not too firm, not too soft. Lovely. As far as the windows go, let's have a look outside. So we have a view downstairs of just a sort of side street. Can't see much there. And the other window, same again. Let's get out of these curtains. Over the other side of the room, we've got a view of a roof, not great. And the other window is the one that links the bathroom to the bedroom. So now I'm going to take you for a tour of the hotel. So this is the entrance to the Duke's Palace Hotel. And there's a tower. We'll be going up that later. It's a beautiful night tonight. And here's the entrance down here to get into the hotel. And we're here in December, so Christmas trees, decorations. And look at that for a staircase. We're on the first floor. And this is the reception area. Lots of staff. Really friendly staff, really good. Another Christmas tree. We have lots of areas to sit and have a drink. Let's make our way to the bar. So it has a bar and a restaurant. This is the bar, it might be quite noisy. And we have Santa there, chilling out. There's the restaurant ahead of us. Another Christmas tree. And then there's an outdoor area as well. Oh, it's quite warm in there, so nice to get some air. And there's a beautiful Christmas decoration in the gardens. And how's this for a Christmas decoration? Look how beautiful that is. You can sit out here with a drink, little seating area there. Look at all of that. Absolutely amazing. It's definitely Christmas time, guys. Lots of wine there. Really great bar. And another Santa. So here we are, guys. We are going up the tower. I'm not sure how many steps it is, but it's very dark and dingy. It's very warm tonight on this winter's night. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you that lovely painting. We'll carry on going. Here we are. The stairs, quite narrow, a bit wider than the bell tower, which we will be doing tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Ooh. As you can see down there, I think there's some rooms so you can actually stay next to the tower, but we're going to continue. There are some little windows on the wall. I'll give you a little view on the next opportunity. Oh. Janet's already up there having a heart attack. Yes, my legs breaking already. Whew. We've got the bell tower booked for 10 AM tomorrow morning. How much further?
No, I'm up at the top.
You're at the top.
So basically, last time we came to Bruges, I did not make it up the tower because I had vertigo, I'm claustrophobic. So I've been practicing in our hotel tower, which isn't as big, but I'm hoping it's a good head start.
Let's have a look outside the window.
Mine is.
There we go. Maybe better to see a little church in the background there.
This is a seat for people like me that.
What is that? And we're at the top.
I'm at the tower.
We're at the tower.
No,
Wow.
I'm going to get the kids and bring them up.
Yeah.
I'm going to go down.
Let's go down.
Where's your head?
So there is an actual elevator, but it's not in operation anymore. But this is the door to it. Yeah, it's not working. So it's down the stairs we go. So here's the car park. Plenty of space, over 100 spaces I think. And you can get to the Duke's Palace Hotel reception. Just follow the signs. When you come in, you do take a ticket. You don't pay for the parking there. The 35 a day charge is charged by the hotel itself. And here's some electric car charging spaces there, so you could drive your electric car here and be fully charged for the journey home. So we're back into the main area of the hotel. Just going to give you a quick tour around the corridors. We've got the lifts there, the elevators, so like a sort of conference room there. We'll carry on making our way down. Nice little Santa at the end there. So as far as the price goes, it worked out about £250 per night. If you want the car parking, it's €35 per day per car. So if you're only staying for one night and you are parking your car, you'll have to pay for 2 days. Breakfast is €38 per person, which we thought was a little bit pricey considering you can get a really good breakfast for about €15-16 on the main market square in Bruges. We're coming up to the spa area where they offer massages, saunas. There's also a fitness centre we'll just make our way around here. Here we go, we've got the spa straight ahead of us. And there are a couple of rooms to our left here for massages. Obviously all of this would be extra, and you can book all of these facilities at the main reception. And here we go, here's the gym, the fitness centre. If you're that way inclined, I wasn't. So guys, thanks very much for sticking with the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to see more content, free to do so. Leave any comments down below, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and it's bye from us in Bruges at Christmas.